Today we're creating a slow cinematic text opener using the elegant breathe animation. It's perfect for intros, trailers, or anything that needs a calm and dramatic touch. Let's get started. First, open a new Canva project and add a text box. Type in your opener text, something short and powerful like "The journey begins" or "In silence we begin." Once your text is in place, click on it and head to the Animate option in the top menu. Scroll through the text animations and select Breathe. This animation gives your text a subtle expansion and contraction, like it's breathing in and out, perfect for that slow, cinematic vibe. Now, slow it down using the speed slider. Drag the slider all the way to the left for a calm, drawn out reveal. For a more cinematic look, try using a dark or gradient background and center your text on the screen. You can adjust the clip duration to match your desired pacing. Longer durations work great with this slow animation style. And there you go. You've just created a stunning slow cinematic text opener in Canva using the breathe animation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva editing tips.